What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 keyboard disappeared. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on general management and then click on keyboard settings. Now here you can set your keyboard as default. After set your keyboard as default, then go back to the main page and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.